Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Does somebody want to hold the thing?
Okay, wait a minute.
So I can't just one? Because I want to
You want me to double tie it?
Nah, that's fine.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, you want Mommy to hold it?
Yeah.
Wait, do you know where the first clue is?
Oh, wait, Daddy called for it.
Okay.
It says where Daddy called for it. It looks like he's never cleaned up India.
Do you see it, Laurel?
I think it's out here, look. The clue's over here. Look, Mia. It's like right here. Kind of by the door. Do you see the door? Look kind of by the door. What is that? I think it's, do you see by the door?
Woohoo!
I love it! Shobauchi!
Oh my
He
goodness!
bought those for me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Show the camera the second clue.
Okay, second
read it.
clue. I love living under a flatbed. Look,
Ooh.
bed.
I love living under a flat bed. Look. Okay, so here's the
that flat bed?
driveway. Let's go look over there.
Okay.
Come on, let's go over here.
They made it so squiggly.
Oh,
Your
thanks.
driveway is not squiggly. Not squiggly.
They made it too
right?
squiggly.
That was Peter Rabbit. He did it.
I see it.
I feel like it's here.
Yeah?
Because these are like flat and these are kind of like that,
Yeah?
right?
Yeah?
Yeah, where I saw bugs.
Okay, let's look at this first flatbed. Let's look under it.
It's not under it.
Whoa!
Oh, you found it!
Under. It's on top.
What'd you get, Mia?
I got Spongy, Twizzler,
Cute.
got and these.
Ooh, peeps!
Okay, let's see over here. Let me see. Okay, let's
Here's
see
your
the
third
next
clue.
clue. The third clue. I love
Hedges.
Hedges
To
to hide in.
vine.
Ooh.
Go look at the hedges.
Oh, wait, you there.
Be
Mommy.
careful.
Okay, go.
Watch out for dog poop. HORSE.
Good job.
Whoa.
It's what Daddy got. I wanted these.
Let's look for your next clue.
Let's see the next clue.
Oh,
Next
so bright.
clue
Oh, wait,
is-
honey. We skipped it.
Clue.
Last clue.
Wait. Wait.
Here, I'll hold these. That's the first clue.
Last clue. I was watching the one. Hey,
I love watching the water wave.
Okay, I think
Ooh.
Okay, follow me.
Okay, we will follow you.
It's in the backyard in the pool. So it has to be the guy in the pool. And I think I know where because I saw you.
Oh man,
And
you were peeking.
hey, that's not my
Might have
fault.
to come up here.
Yeah, it's easier to walk.
Yeah, it's easier to walk up here.
I know it's not you.
I don't think Peter Rabbit would have went in there, honey. He probably would have hurt himself.
Maybe around the edge. This water is so cold. How is it so cold?
Because it's fresh.
It's scary.
What'd you find?
Ooh.
Look it down. There's a bit scary here.
Check it out, Mia.
Did we go on the porch and
Yeah.
see how many gifts and all I got?
Okay, we'll have to stomp our feet.
Oh my God, is that a cinnamon roll? What? Wait, did you get a cinnamon roll shirt? Mia, is that true? What? Cinnamon roll shirt?
I thought these were real eggs. I didn't think they were chocolate.
Whoa.
Okay, we still need to find one more thing.
What?
My basket.
What basket?
The white one.
Oh, were you a good girl? Were you? Let me see if I can go find it.
Yeah.
You stay here.
Let me find
No, you stay here. You stay here.
Happy Easter, everyone. See you next year.
Bye.